An individual going upstairs. There we go, that was a massive vibration through the flat. Basically felt like a truck hit the walls or something outside. That was probably one of the biggest kind of impacts I've had from banging in this flat. Might not look too bad on the camera. I'm just trying to get the time up for the officiality of things. And there we go. 18th of February 2026. So when's the 23rd? 23rd is next Monday, and that will be basically, there we go, that next Monday will be 3 years this complaint has been ongoing for.